Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Nexus Rebel 30R with 4x4. So the Nexus Rebel is a newer brand of Super C that's kick butt and awesome. It sits on an international CV chassis. It's a 350 horsepower Duramax diesel. And look at the front grille design. It's very GMC Denali-like. It looks beautiful, it's awesome, and you can tow 15,000 pounds with this. Also, we have a nice bunk over the cab right there. Seamless fiberglass front cap. No seams in it, which means no leaks. And then let's take a look at the inside. As we do, you're gonna see the warranty of steel, which means this has steel case construction. Also, Nexus uses Asdel, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. As you can see up front there in the cockpit area, check that out. Really nice low seats. This isn't your traditional Super C. This is gonna feel like you're driving a regular 250 or 350 pickup truck. We do have a nice big bunk over the cab right there. Okay, right here we have windows, storage above there with your sofa. And then here we have the TV, which is across from the sofa, storage above there. And check this out. Nexus does one of the best jobs when it comes to their interior seats. They make these like actual sofas, the cushions. They don't just use a piece of styrofoam. Also, what is great about the chassis is you can now get an option with liquid spring, which is a compressible liquid. It's gonna make this spring suspension drive more like a diesel suspension, more like a air ride suspension. In this kitchen area, beautiful solid surface countertops, storage above, nice residential style refrigerator, kicking butt, taking names and kicking butt. Right over here, we do have the toilet, porcelain, nice 24 by 36 shower, decent sized bathroom. What's really important to note about this motorhome is it's 30 feet 11 inches, so they're trying to make this Super C for state and national parks. Tons of storage right over here, place for your CPAP machines, and then a ton of storage space right here. Well guys, thanks so much for checking out this quick little tour of the Nexus Rebel 30R. If you guys are ready to see the full review, make sure you go over to my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, and we have the full video tour. We're gonna tell you pricing, lengths, all the specs and everything, so make sure you go over to that. Thank you guys so much. We will see you next time.